Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Truth social media account. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to use Truth social media? Well, stay tuned because this one's for you. All right, to sign up on Truth Social, number one, download Truth Social from the Apple App Store. So this is the Apple App Store on browser. As you can see, this app is available only on the App Store for iPhone. So this we are in a browser, we can download it. And note from the devs, it's gonna appear. So this is only available on Apple. It's gonna be available on browser desktop first before Android. So keep note of that. So this is only for Apple, right? Step two, once you have successfully downloaded the Truth Social app, go ahead and open the app. Click on Create Account on the Truth Social app to get started with the sign up process. So as you can see here, click on the Create Account under Login, right? Enter your birth date. Ensure you enter it correctly because this can be useful while recovering your account. Anybody under 18 is not allowed, right? So after that, enter your actual email address for entering your birth date. So this is pretty much straightforward, right? And then there's a verification, confirm that you're actually the person. Then create a password. And lastly, select your desired username. So after that, you can log in and start using Truth. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.